This is Nichole from Tilted Tulip, and we are so excited to partner with them for this awesome character garden. And so I will go ahead and let you kick it off.
Okay. All right. Well, hi, everybody. I'm Nichole. Everybody started off with an empty container, 3 succulents, and then a bag of dirt, and then some sand, and some little characters. So what you're going to do to start, you're going to open up your bag and just pour it in here. And squish it down as hard as you can, like that, so it doesn't fall out. And pack it really tight. And then you want to use your finger, make 3 little holes wherever you want your plants to go. Nice, touched mine really good. All right, something like that. Okay, so you're gonna take your succulents out of their little container. You're gonna make a mess. You want to drop some of that dirt off, like that. And you just want to tuck it down into your hole. Whoops. Like that, and just tuck your dirt around it. And you move on to your next one. And some of them will have like a tube right there. That's okay. And just poke that in the next hole. Tuck it down in there like that. Pack it in there nice and tight. And then your last one. Careful not to break off all the dirt. Pack that one in there. Now you're just going to take this extra dirt and you're just going to sprinkle it around in there. And fill it up the rest of the way. If it gets on your plant, just blow it off. And if you have them break off like that, you can just make a little hole and stuff it in that little hole, and it'll start a whole new plant. So I'm going to end up with that. And then I'm going to add your sand. Some of you have flowers, some of you have dogs or lizards or frogs. You just cut a little hole in the corner. So you can just pour it out really nice. Like that. You just want to spread it around. And if you're really slow about it, take your time, it should cover the whole thing. And that's what you're going to have. Like that. Because we have a second to catch up because I kind of work kind of fast. I'll start my next one. So again, I'm pouring the dirt. Packing it in there. There's my 3 little holes. And pour it in there like that. Make it all pretty. Just like that. Pack it all in there. Nice and tight. And then I will do lizard this time because these are cool. I'm gonna cut a little hole in the corner. All right, so it's almost like that. I used my dark blue sand on this one. All right, so the next step is you're gonna take your characters. So this one's gonna be lizards. I'm just gonna keep working on this one. All right, you're just gonna set your lizards in there however you want. So I want my guys crawling out of the container. See that? All right. I'm getting on this one. I think they're kind of cool crawling out. There's my lizard one. All right. The other one I'm going to do is the flowers. I'm just going to scatter those around and make them real pretty in there. Make it look like little gardens. All right. And there's that one. I need another one where I put a little bunny rabbit and a little garden pig and a umbrella. And my little bunny bellin. Then when you go to water it, just get like a little bathroom cup. Not very much. You don't want to water any more than these little containers. And just pour it carefully. When I not get it on the leaves, just want to pour it kind of carefully in there. And it'll mess with your blue sand a little bit, but not terribly. And then that's how you water it. And then if you guys have any questions, you can call us at the flower shop. Our phone number is 517-278-3734. And that is it.
Fantastic. Nichole, thank you so, so much.
Not a problem.
We appreciate it so much.
I really like how the lizards turned out.
Oh yes, those are very cute. I like that crawling out.
Yeah. Some of them had little frogs. They were just the cutest.
Yes. I think my favorite when I was delivering these to the branches, the little packets that had the white picket fence.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, those were so cute.
Yes.
Thank you so much to Nichole. Thank you for partnering with us.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate it. And thank you for these incredibly cute character gardens. We're just so grateful to have community partners. So thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Yes. All right. Take care.
You too. See ya.
Bye.